Hello, this is the recording for I Like to Move It 3. It starts September 25th and it is due Thursday, October 4th. Your first option is required 3 times 20 minutes, read to self, and practice your power goal. Each time you practice your power goal, check off a box. The next activity is work on writing, informational writing. Required for 15 minutes, this is practice. You will complete the Writing Fix-It activity in the resource area. Using a dry erase marker, add the correct punctuation to each card. Then upload a picture to Canvas. You can work independently or with a pair. Remember to mark your work choice. Required for 10 minutes, this is learning. Watch the informational 4-square plan video. This can be done independently or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. Required for 30 minutes, this is practice. You can reread pages 63 to 67 in the Social Studies Alive book, or you can scan the QR code to listen to pages 63 to 67 in Social Studies Alive. Then you will create an informational 4-square plan to tell about one Native American tribe. This writing is to be done independently. Please remember to mark how your work went. Required for 20 minutes, this is practice. Using your 4-square plan, write an informational draft to tell about one Native American tribe. The next is optional 10 minutes. Read your informational draft to a friend who has also finished their writing. This is to be done in a pair. Remember to write your buddy's name on the line and mark how your work mode was. The next section is reading comprehension. This is required for 20 minutes. This is practice. Read Superman with your assigned partner. Then complete the sheet using the information from the partner play. This is to be done in a pair. Remember to mark how your learning went. The next section is listen to reading. This is required for 15 minutes. This is practice. Listen to a story on Raz Kids on your level. Write what is the title here, the title of your book. After you take the quiz, please write down your score. This is to be done independently. Remember to mark how your workflow went. The next section is foundational skills. We're working on silent letters. Required for 20 minutes, this is practice. Green readers, read the room. Use the anchor chart to help you find silent letter words. Blue readers, find silent letter word sort. Then read the words to a buddy. Red readers, write the room. Use your anchor chart to help you find silent letter words. White readers, silent letter word search and sentences. This is to be done independently. Remember to mark your work mode. Required for 5 minutes, this is practice. Scan the QR code to review tricky words on your level. This is to be done independently. Remember to mark your work mode. Required for 10 minutes, this is practice. Use a computer. Complete the Symbolo word building and sorting lesson on silent letters. You can find this on the CWTES website. Go to Students, then Second Grade, then Silent Letters. It's the third red box. This can be done independently or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. Social Studies, required 15 minutes. Learning, scan the QR code to watch the video of traditional Native American games. Complete the note-taking guide as you watch. This can be done independently or with a pair. Required 15 minutes. This is practice. Fill in the informational Fill in the information for one game you learned about on Native American Games page of your Healthy Living Notebook. This can be done independently or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. This is an optional activity for 10 minutes. This is learning. Scan the QR code to watch a news video about Native American game Chunky. This is independent or pair. Remember to mark your work mode. In your Healthy Living Notebook, required for 10 minutes, this is practice. Please complete any unfinished body parts pages in your Healthy Living Notebook. This can be done independently or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. Required for 20 minutes, this is practice. Complete the Stand the Man page in your Healthy Living Notebook. Get the body parts sheet from the resource area and then glue each part where it goes. This can be done independently or with a pair. This is a choice. You have 20 minutes and it's learning. Scan the QR code to listen to Native American food or read Native American food. Then fill out the food page in your Healthy Living Notebook. This can be done independently or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. In your Healthy Lifestyle poster, this is required for 30 minutes, and it's learning. Using a computer, complete the Science Fusion digital lesson, Unit 8. Lesson 1, what makes up the human body? This is on the CWTES website. Students, 2nd grade, Unit 8, Lesson 1. It's the first yellow box. If you do it independently, you're using the science pages. If you do it with a pair, this is the digital lesson only. Once you have read or watched this lesson, you have to complete the Science Fusion pages 203, 204 from the resource area. That is to be done independently. Remember to mark your work mode. Required for 20 minutes after Tuesday's benchmark, use the headings from the resource area to set up your Healthy Lifestyle poster. Use your teacher's example to guide you. This is to be done independent. Remember to mark your work mode.